Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a structured breakdown of the economic implications of lead-to-customer rate in a contact center. When we talk about the business case for improving lead-to-customer conversion, the direct revenue impact is undeniable. First, higher conversion means more customers. A stronger lead-to-customer rate directly boosts sales volume without necessarily increasing lead generation costs, making every lead count. Second, revenue forecasting becomes more predictable. When conversion rates stabilize or improve consistently, finance and strategy teams can plan with greater confidence and precision. And third, better conversion creates upsell and cross-sell opportunities, unlocking additional revenue per customer and driving long-term customer lifetime value growth. Simply put, every percentage point gained in conversion is a direct lift to the bottom line, fueling both immediate revenue and sustainable business growth. When improving lead-to-customer conversion, the financial ripple effect extends directly into marketing ROI and cost per acquisition. First, higher conversion means fewer wasted leads, ensuring that every marketing dollar works harder and delivers greater impact. Second, improved conversion directly lowers CPA. For example, if marketing generates 5,000 leads at $50 each, a $250,000 spend, raising conversion from 10% to 15% drops CPA from $250 per customer to just $167. That's a significant gain in efficiency without increasing spend. And third, better budget utilization creates new opportunities. The savings generated from improved CPA can be reinvested into higher quality lead generation, amplifying both volume and value over time. In short, stronger conversion isn't just a sales win, it's a marketing ROI multiplier, turning the same investment into far greater returns. When conversion rates rise, the impact goes far beyond sales numbers. It directly influences operational and workforce economics. First, efficiency gains are immediate. With higher conversion, fewer leads are needed to hit the same revenue targets. That means less outbound dialing, fewer follow-ups, and a more focused, productive workflow. Second, staffing optimization becomes a strategic advantage. Teams can achieve the same revenue goals with fewer agents or fewer shifts, allowing for smarter resource allocation and stronger operational control. And third, attrition costs decrease. In high-conversion environments, agents feel more successful, more motivated, and less likely to churn. That translates into lower hiring and training costs and a more stable, high-performing workforce. In essence, better conversion drives operational excellence, enabling contact centers to do more with less and grow smarter, not just bigger. When we improve conversion quality, not just volume, we unlock powerful customer retention and lifetime value benefits. First, quality of conversion matters. When the right leads are targeted and converted, they're far more likely to become long-term, profitable customers who stay engaged and loyal to your brand. Second, this focus on the right leads also helps with churn prevention. Instead of onboarding customers who may not be a good fit, the emphasis shifts toward those who truly align with the offer, reducing dissatisfaction and early drop-offs after the sale. And third, this directly fuels higher customer lifetime value. Stronger lead-to-customer conversion translates into deeper, more meaningful customer relationships and significantly higher per-customer revenue over time. In short, high-quality conversions create high-value customers, driving both short-term wins and long-term business growth. In many organizations, lead to customer conversion isn't just a performance metric, it's a contractual and financial lever in SLA and outsourcing economics. Under BPO performance contracts, payouts are often directly tied to conversion outcomes. The higher the conversion, the greater the revenue potential for both client and vendor. Incentive payouts are another key element. When conversion rates exceed contractual thresholds, BPO vendors can unlock additional bonuses, driving mutual value and stronger partnerships. Conversely, low conversion performance can trigger penalties, reduced payouts, or even early contract terminations, creating both financial and operational risks. Simply put, conversion performance is currency in outsourcing agreements. Strong lead-to-customer rates not only maximize revenue but also strengthen vendor relationships and safeguard contract economics. When conversion rates rise, the benefits don't stop at revenue, they extend into brand strength and strategic value. First, higher conversion rates reflect strong market competitiveness. They show that your offers are well aligned with customer needs, helping your organization capture and expand market share. Second, the reputation impact is powerful. Smooth, positive sales journeys create goodwill and trust, reducing reputational risks and strengthening brand equity. And third, organic growth accelerates. Satisfied customers become advocates, driving referrals and word of mouth, which lowers future acquisition costs and amplifies growth momentum. In short, strong conversion performance doesn't just build sales, it builds brand power, strategic advantage, and sustainable growth. To truly grasp the power of improving conversion, let's break it down with a simple financial model. Imagine a contact center generating 20,000 leads per month with an average customer value of $300. In scenario A, with a 10% conversion rate, that equals 2,000 customers, generating $600,000 in monthly revenue. Now in scenario B, increasing conversion to 15% results in 3,000 customers, driving $900,000 in monthly revenue. That's an uplift of $300,000 every month, or $3.6 million annually, from just a 5% improvement in conversion. This example proves a critical point. Even small percentage gains in conversion can deliver multi-million-dollar impact in medium to large-scale contact centers. Conversion optimization isn't just operational, it's a high-leverage growth strategy. While high conversion drives growth, low conversion carries real and costly risks that can quietly erode profitability and performance. First, wasted marketing spend is one of the biggest dangers. Organizations can spend millions generating leads that never convert into paying customers, a direct drain on ROI. Second, higher cost per acquisition is inevitable. Poor conversion inflates acquisition costs, squeezes margins, and limits the ability to scale efficiently. Third, salesforce inefficiency becomes a major issue. When agents spend their time chasing low-quality leads with little payoff, productivity drops and frustration rises. And finally, churn and refunds increase when poor-fit leads do convert but quickly drop off. These hidden costs can quietly undermine both revenue and customer experience. The message is clear: low conversion isn't just a missed opportunity, it's an active business risk. Addressing it isn't optional, it's essential for sustainable growth. In summary, the lead-to-customer rate carries massive economic weight. It's far more than just a sales metric. When conversion rates are high, they unlock lower CPA, stronger marketing ROI, higher revenue, greater customer lifetime value, and a powerful competitive advantage in the market. But when conversion rates are low, the reverse happens: marketing spend is wasted, staffing costs rise, retention weakens, and profitability erodes over time. Even small, Incremental gains in conversion percentages can translate into millions of dollars in savings and revenue uplift, especially in medium to large scale operations. This is why conversion isn't just a number, it's a strategic lever for growth and profitability. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.